Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe. So guys, in today's video I want to take you through the work which is ongoing. We are inside the site. This is a structure with 11 floors and rooftop. So right now we are doing the piping. We are using PVC conduits 25 millimeters and drawing cable, fire alarm resistant cable, size 1.5 millimeter. So guys, I want to take you through the piping and see how the work is done neatly. And if you have a project guys concerning the fire alarm, electrical, installation of cameras, you can reach on us through our email address, which is optechappliances@gmail.com. So hope you will enjoy the full video. Don't skip, watch from the start to the end. And for the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to our channel, where we will get our daily fire tutorials. Once we upload, when you have pressed the notification bell, you will be among the first people to get our videos once we upload. So guys, enjoy the full video as I take you through the piping. Also guys, you can support us by subscribing to our community. Be a member of this channel, where you will be paying $2 per month. You will be among the people who will watch our videos. This video we make for our members to watch. Also we teach on how we have online lesson classes teaching on how to do the installation. So watch please until the end. Thank you guys.